Today we're diving into how earned value management, or EVM, can be a powerful tool to predict the success of your projects. Whether you're managing a small team or overseeing a large-scale initiative, understanding EVM can give you the insights you need to stay on track. In this video, we'll break down what EVM is, why it matters, and how you can use it to forecast project outcomes with confidence. Let's start by exploring the basics of EVM and why it's become a staple in project management across industries. Earned value management, or EVM, is a project management technique that integrates scope, schedule, and cost to assess project performance and progress. By comparing the planned work with what has actually been accomplished, EVM provides a clear picture of where your project stands. This approach helps project managers identify potential risks and make informed decisions early on. EVM isn't just about tracking numbers, it's about understanding the story those numbers tell about your project's health. To effectively use EVM, it's important to understand its three core components: plan value PV, earned value EV, and actual cost AC. Plan value represents the budget cost of work scheduled, earned value is the budget cost of work performed, and actual cost is the real cost incurred for the work completed. These three elements form the foundation of EVM, allowing you to measure project performance against your original plan. Plan value, often abbreviated as PV, is the authorized budget assigned to scheduled work. It answers the question, how much work should have been completed by now according to the plan? By tracking PV, you can see if your project is progressing as scheduled or if there are delays that need attention. This metric is essential for setting realistic expectations and ensuring your team stays focused on key milestones. Earned value, or EV, measures the value of work actually performed up to a specific point in time. Unlike plan value, which is based on the schedule, EV reflects real progress. By comparing EV to PV, you can determine if your project is ahead, behind, or right on schedule. This insight is crucial for making timely adjustments and keeping your project on the path to success. Actual cost, or AC, is the total cost incurred for the work completed by a specific date. This includes all expenses such as labor, materials, and overhead. By comparing AC to EV, you can assess whether you're spending more or less than planned for the work accomplished. Monitoring AC helps you control costs and avoid budget overruns, which is vital for project success. EVM relies on a few key formulas to provide actionable insights. The most common are Cost Performance Index (CPI), Schedule Performance Index (SPI), Cost Variance (CV), and Schedule Variance (SV). These formulas help you quantify how well your project is performing in terms of cost and schedule. Understanding and applying these calculations is essential for accurate project forecasting. Cost Performance Index, or CPI, measures the cost efficiency of your project. It's calculated by dividing earned value by actual cost. A CPI greater than 1 means you're under budget, while a CPI less than 1 indicates you're overspending. Regularly monitoring CPI helps you identify cost issues early and take corrective action before they escalate. Schedule Performance Index, or SPI, evaluates how efficiently your project is progressing compared to the planned schedule. It's calculated by dividing earned value by plan value. An SPI above 1 means your project is ahead of schedule, while an SPI below 1 signals delays. Tracking SPI allows you to quickly spot schedule risks and adjust your plan as needed. Cost Variance, or CV, shows the difference between earned value and actual cost. A positive CV means you're spending less than planned, while a negative CV indicates you're over budget. This metric is a quick way to assess your project's financial health and make informed decisions about resource allocation. Schedule Variance, or SV, measures the difference between earned value and planned value. A positive SV means your project is ahead of schedule, while a negative SV signals you're falling behind. SV helps you quickly identify schedule issues and take action to keep your project on track. One of the biggest advantages of EVM is its ability to forecast future project performance. By analyzing current trends in cost and schedule, you can predict whether your project will finish on time and within budget. This proactive approach allows you to make adjustments early, reducing the risk of surprises down the road. Estimate at Completion, or EAC, predicts the total cost of your project based on current performance. It's calculated using actual cost and Cost Performance Index. EAC helps you understand if you're likely to exceed your original budget and gives you time to plan corrective actions if needed. Estimate to Complete, or ETC, tells you how much more money will be needed to finish the project from this point forward. By subtracting actual cost from estimate at completion, you get a clear picture of future spending requirements. ETC is essential for managing resources and ensuring you have enough funds to complete the project. Variance at Completion, or VAC, compares the original budget with the estimated final cost. A positive VAC means you're expected to finish under budget, while a negative VAC signals a potential overrun. Monitoring VAC helps you stay proactive and make strategic decisions to keep your project financially healthy. By combining all these EVM metrics, you can create a comprehensive picture of your project's health. Regularly reviewing CPI, SPI, EAC, and VAC allows you to predict whether your project is on track for success. This data-driven approach empowers you to make informed decisions and increases your chances of delivering successful outcomes. EVM provides early warning signals when a project is veering off course. For example, a declining CPI or SPI can alert you to cost overruns or schedule delays before they become critical. By acting on these signals, you can implement corrective measures and steer your project back towards success. Let's look at a real-world example. Imagine a construction project where EVM is used to track progress. By regularly calculating CPI and SPI, the project manager notices a dip in SPI, signaling a schedule delay. The team quickly reallocates resources, adjusts the timeline, and brings the project back on track. This demonstrates how EVM can be a practical tool for managing complex projects. EVM offers several benefits, including improved visibility into project performance, better risk management, and enhanced decision-making. By providing objective data, EVM helps you justify changes, allocate resources efficiently, and communicate progress to stakeholders. These advantages make EVM a valuable asset for any project manager. While EVM is a powerful tool, it's not without limitations. EVM relies on accurate data, so errors in reporting can lead to misleading results. It also doesn't account for qualitative factors such as team morale or stakeholder satisfaction. Understanding these limitations ensures you use EVM as part of a broader project management strategy. EVM works best when integrated with other project management tools such as risk registers, resource planning, and communication platforms. By combining EVM with these tools, you gain a holistic view of your project and can respond more effectively to challenges as they arise. EVM isn't just for traditional waterfall projects. It can also be adapted for agile environments. By tracking value delivered in each sprint and comparing it to planned goals, agile teams can use EVM to monitor progress and predict project outcomes, even in fast-paced, iterative settings. EVM provides clear, objective data that can be shared with stakeholders to demonstrate project progress. Regular EVM reports help build trust and keep everyone informed, making it easier to manage expectations and secure ongoing support for your project. EVM helps you allocate resources more effectively by highlighting areas where additional support is needed. If a particular task is falling behind, you can quickly reassign team members or adjust budgets to address the issue, ensuring your project stays on track. EVM supports proactive risk management by identifying trends that could lead to problems. By monitoring key metrics, you can spot potential issues early and develop mitigation strategies before they impact your project's success. EVM isn't just about tracking progress, it's also a tool for continuous improvement. By analyzing past performance, you can identify areas for process enhancements and apply lessons learned to future projects, driving ongoing success. To get the most out of EVM, it's important to train your team on how to collect data, interpret metrics, and use EVM tools effectively. Investing in training ensures everyone understands the process and can contribute to accurate, actionable insights. Many project management software platforms now offer built-in EVM features. Automating data collection and reporting saves time, reduces errors, and allows you to focus on analysis and decision-making rather than manual calculations. Every project is unique, so it's important to tailor EVM metrics and reporting to fit your specific needs. Consider factors like project size, complexity, and stakeholder requirements when designing your EVM approach. Implementing EVM can come with challenges such as resistance to change, data quality issues, and lack of understanding. Addressing these challenges through training, clear communication, and leadership support is key to successful EVM adoption. To maximize the benefits of EVM, follow best practices such as setting clear baselines, maintaining accurate records, and conducting regular reviews. Consistency and discipline in applying EVM principles lead to better project outcomes. EVM isn't limited to individual projects. It can also be used for portfolio management, helping organizations track performance across multiple projects and allocate resources where they're needed most. Effective reporting is crucial for EVM. Use clear, visual dashboards and concise summaries to communicate key metrics to stakeholders. This ensures everyone understands the project's status and can make informed decisions. Building a culture that values data-driven decision-making is essential for EVM success. Encourage transparency, accountability, and continuous learning within your team to foster an environment where EVM can thrive. EVM is used in a variety of industries from construction and engineering to IT and healthcare. Each sector adapts EVM principles to fit its unique challenges, proving the versatility and value of this approach. Analyzing EVM data from completed projects provides valuable lessons for future initiatives. By identifying what worked well and where improvements are needed, you can refine your project management processes and achieve better results over time. Projects often encounter changes in scope, schedule, or budget. EVM helps you assess the impact of these changes and adjust your forecasts accordingly, ensuring you maintain control even when circumstances shift. With more teams working remotely, EVM provides a structured way to monitor progress and performance, regardless of location. Cloud-based EVM tools enable real-time collaboration and keep everyone aligned on project goals. If your project is off track, EVM can guide your recovery efforts. By pinpointing where issues have occurred, you can develop targeted action plans to bring your project back within scope, schedule, and budget. Executives rely on EVM data to make high-level decisions about project funding, resource allocation, and strategic priorities. Clear, accurate EVM reports support confident, data-driven leadership. In regulated industries, EVM can help demonstrate compliance with project management standards and contractual requirements. Accurate EVM records provide an audit trail and support accountability throughout the project lifecycle. EVM supports a culture of continuous feedback by providing regular, objective updates on project performance. This feedback loop helps teams stay focused, adapt to changes, and achieve better results. At the end of a project, EVM helps you assess overall performance, document lessons learned, and provide stakeholders with a clear summary of outcomes. This final review ensures transparency and sets the stage for future success. Organizations that consistently use EVM develop stronger project management capabilities over time. By embedding EVM into your processes, you foster a culture of accountability, continuous improvement, and long-term growth. In summary, earned value management is a proven method for predicting project success. By integrating scope, schedule, and cost data, EVM provides actionable insights that help you stay on track and deliver results. Whether you're new to EVM or looking to refine your approach, embracing this technique can transform the way you manage projects and set you up for long-term success.